Hi, today I am going to tell you about best face wash brands in Pakistan. Life is full of different problems, but no matter what, you would never want to have skin problem. Face wash is a cleanser that deeply purifies your skin and hydrates it. If you're a first-timer, then these helpful tips will make things easier for you. Number 1. Identify your skin type and its problem. To know which type of face wash you must buy. Number 2. Read thoroughly ingredients and instructions on the back. Number 3. Apply small amount to check for allergy reaction or any irritation on that area. Now let's talk about best brands of face wash. Nivea Rose Care. Nivea Rose Care face wash is made from organic rose water that cleans your skin purely. With its smooth texture, it makes your skin soft and smooth. It frees your skin from pimples, irritation, and dead skin while bringing out your new lightened and delicate skin. Dove Deep Pure Face Wash. Dove Deep Pure Face Wash helps to get rid of excess skin oil and sebum. It gently treats the pimples and reduces the redness caused by them. It is the best face wash for oily skin in Pakistan. L'Oréal Paris Aura Perfect. L'Oréal Paris Aura Perfect Anti-Dullness face wash is suitable for all skin types because it contains richly exfoliating elements that deep cleanse your skin and revive its natural glow. It is the best face wash for dry skin in Pakistan. Pond's Pure White Anti-Pollution. Pond's Pure White Anti-Pollution Face Wash contains active carbon, which easily removes impurities and dirt particles from the skin. It reveals your pure white skin after washing off. That's why it is the best face whitening face wash at an affordable price. Clean and Clear Essentials. Clean and Clear Essentials face wash is the most suitable for young girls who suffer from skin problems. It is the best face wash for oily skin, as it controls oil effectively and keeps your skin hydrated. St. Ives Acne Control. St. Ives Acne Control Face Wash is an apricot scrub that deeply exfoliates your skin. It works well on sensitive skin too. It is the best medicated face wash. Using it twice a week will give you healthier and more radiant skin. Lotus Herbals White Glow. Lotus Herbals White Glow Face Wash is a skin whitening solution. It is made of natural ingredients and minerals which take out excess oil from your skin and clean dirt particles. It is also one of the best organic face wash brands for its quality. I hope you like my video. These are best face wash brands in my opinion, but there are some face wash with great result like Fair and Lovely Advanced Multivitamin, Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash, Himalaya Herbals Clear Complexion, Saigani Naturally Powerful Neem. But my all-time favorite is Pond's Pure White Anti-Pollution. What is yours favorite? Comment below.